Well, good morning, folks. Well, it's morning here, Monday morning. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever, whatever, wherever you are, whatever time it is, all that stuff. It's a pretty nice morning here in Nova Scotia today. It's chilly. It's like 0 degrees Celsius. I know that's not anything crazy, but it's getting there. So today we are going back to another returning customer we put a driveway in for a little while ago, and did a little bit of ditching or trenching to get some water runoff for the property to dry out. And now the power poles are coming in, so we got to do some cutting for the power. And there's a lot of deadfalls and stuff out there that needs to be cleaned up, so we're going to do that today. Trevor and Riley are already on their way out there. Trevor's got the 80, Riley's got the 350 and the chainsaws and all that stuff. I'm taking the truck. I got 2 guys off today, so it's just the 3 of us. I'm taking this truck because of the barn door, I call it, in the back, for making it much better for unloading grubbings and dead trees and brush and all that sort of stuff. Open the door, tip her up, and drive forward. No worries about anything getting stuck at all. I just see that I ran over my my fabric there, but whatever, it won't hurt it. So anyway, I'm gonna go jump in this thing. It's pretty much ready to roll now, warming up, and then we'll see if we can get this done today. It'd be really nice to get it started and finished today, because I got a few other things on the go this week that are a little pressing. Here's the job that everybody is talking about right here. Highway 10. I was part of that job when it sort of first started. I got called out for an emergency to rip the road up that night to relieve the pressure, because it was coming down the road and washing everybody's driveways out and whatnot. I haven't been on that since, but we'll see if I end up doing some backfilling there. Alright, well, here we are. Cleanup time. Riley's out the road, getting the power line cut out, limbing everything up, so we'll work our way out there for now. I got Trevor in here. I'm gonna try to get the truck backed in there somehow on an angle so that he can sit on the other side of that little ditch we dug and load me. If I can get it in here on an angle somehow, he can sit over there and load me up. That would be ideal. But yeah, there's a lot of dead stuff in here that we're gonna come in and clean up as much as we can anyway. There's gonna be, you know, the house is going here and the septic and all that stuff later on, so we're not gonna spend an enormous amount of time at it, but we'll get some of this stuff cleaned up. Laying around here everywhere. We're not going in that way. They've been in there doing some cutting. They're gonna chip that. We'll probably stop at this one right here. I was here on Saturday and there wasn't a drop of water in this ditch at all, but it's gonna be a nice spot once they're set up in here. There's a nice river. There's a river right here, so it's gonna be a fun project. Actually, I'm looking forward to it. Let's see. Very cool lot. Listening to the river, sort of perched up on the hill a little bit. Very nice. Just got to do some water control, which we did last year, and it really helped dry everywhere else out. We're gonna try to extend the ditch further down this time while we're here, without, you know, having to push any trees over or skinny trees up or anything like that. But we sort of stopped it right here because that's as far as we could kind of reach, but it's still flowing. but it'd be nice to extend it down that way so it dries more of this area out. But I mean, you could spend a lot of time here on that alone to take care of it 100% and direct it to where you want it. It's just a matter of how much time is going to get spent on it, and eventually there will have to be some time spent on it. But for now, we're only looking at being in here for a day or 2 days at most. So most of the big work will happen here once the foundation's getting dug and the septic's getting put in and all that sort of stuff. A little bit of snow on the ground. But yeah, I guess we'll see. I'm gonna get my feet wet. So, see what we can do here. This is the beauty of being the truck driver. You get to sit in the truck every once in a while, see what's going on. There goes another dead one. Yeah, the reason why I'm in the truck instead of in the machine is in between loads and all that sort of stuff. I'm able to do some work on my phone, just coordinate stuff. Because you get these little breaks in between, versus in the machine, nothing's going unless you're going. It is chilly, just a typical Nova Scotia winter day, damp and cold. Getting loaded up with load number 3 here right now. Probably another, this load and maybe one more load back here, and then work our way out to the front. It's probably only a load, maybe 2 loads at most out there. So we're doing pretty good for time. It's 20 after 12. So we should be good. Should be good and done and out of here for today. And then tomorrow, if that's the case, we got a big road repair job to do. Cell Tower Road in towards Mount Uniac. 2 trucks, excavator, and a roller for that one. So go in there and start hammering that one off. Yeah, this is looking cleaner already. Obviously a lot more work to do here, but one step at a time. Load number 3 on its way. I'm more than likely going to use the barn door for getting rid of this load. I got Trevor to put a pretty good sized stump on it right towards the very end. If it was on the bottom, I wouldn't worry about it at all, but where it's on the top and it's at the front like that, I don't know if it will go, but we've got the burn door, so take a minute to set that up and no worries. So, you know, why not? And here's the beauty of this. Nothing to stop it from coming out. So that stump up there, you know, it may have come out with just using the tailgate the normal way, but with this way, it's got a 100% chance of coming out. So we're just about wrapping up here. We got the line to clean up that we cut down. Gonna snap a couple of these limbs off here. And then there's this one to come down, but we're gonna use a machine to push it so it doesn't go in the road. The same as this dead poplar tree. We're gonna do the same thing, push that in here and get that cleaned up. And then that's about it. Pile the wood off to the side. We got the stuff in here cleaned up pretty good. So there's a bunch of dead stuff in here. That's all cleaned up now. Same as this stuff. We're always cutting that stump off as low as we can. So yeah, this looks much better, that's for sure. So it looks like Thursday we'll come back in for a couple hours, grab a couple more loads out of here, and then continue this ditch down further. We got a job just down the road that we got to backfill a foundation that we dug last week. Anyway, so it's not far. Tomorrow, like I said, we got to take 2 trucks, that machine, and a roller onto a job site in Mountain Uniac. So we're not going to be able to get this done today. I didn't actually anticipate getting it done today anyway, so I allowed for 2 days. In 1 day and a little bit is what it's going to take. All right, folks, made it back for the day. I got an appointment I need to go to at 6, so unable to work till dark. But yeah, so we'll finish that one on Thursday. I've had this other job ready to roll for a while now, so we're gonna take care of that one first. So that's gonna do it. To be continued. Till next time, take care, stay safe, we'll see you then, bye.